Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making some creamy chicken Florentine. Let's get to it. So first we want to flatten our chicken breast. Y'all, if someone wants to sponsor me a hammer or a meat tenderizer, that would be great, so I won't have to keep using my skillet in my hands. But hey, it's a good little workout. Take out some anger on this chicken and flatten it out. Once we get that flattened out, we want to cut up the chicken. So I use 2 big chicken breasts and I cut it into 4 chicken patties or 4 chicken breasts. You save money that way, and we don't need that big old piece of chicken anyway, so yeah. Then we're gonna season it with seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. I want to make sure we rub in those seasonings really well. Okay, now let's get to our veggies. So here I'm chopping up the baby bella mushrooms, and for this dish we're also going to have red bell peppers, spinach, and diced onions. I used about 3 handfuls of the baby spinach, and I'm chopping up roughly so that it'll be easier to eat when I cook it. And now that we are finished with our veggies, we have again the spinach, mushrooms, onions, and red bell peppers. Now let's add some olive oil to our skillet that is on medium heat, and we want to make sure that we coat it really well. Once the skillet gets hot and the oil starts to pop a little bit, when we place the chicken in the skillet, we want it to sizzle just a little bit, but we don't want the pot to be too hot because we don't want our chicken to burn. So I cooked it for 5 minutes on each side. Don't be like me and have my skillet too hot, so make sure you guys keep it on medium heat. Now that we're finished with our chicken breast searing on the stove top, I added half a cup of chicken broth, and now I'm going to place it in the oven that is set on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. So while our chicken is finished cooking in the oven, let's get started on our Florentine sauce. So you want to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a separate pan. And I also have this set on medium-low heat. I added in my veggies, starting with my onions first. I want to allow them to get a little translucent, and then I will add in my red bell peppers and my mushrooms. I allowed that to saute for about 4 minutes, and then I added in the spinach to the mixture. I also added in about 1/4 cups of chicken broth to this mixture, as well as about 2 splashes of white wine. You want to give it a good stir and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. And I also added a few more onions in there simply because they were just a perfect to mine. Then you want to allow it to simmer for a few minutes and set it aside. Our chicken is now ready, so you want to add in that mixture to your chicken. And we're going to finish making the sauce in this pan. So we're going to add in the rest of that chicken broth in there. So the other half of the can is probably another cup, half a cup. Then we're going to add in some heavy whipping cream. And also some more white wine. Continue to stir and remove anything that may be stuck at the bottom of the pan. Reduce your heat to low and allow it to simmer for a few minutes, and we will be good to go. And your dish is now ready to be served and plated. For me, this dish goes best with mashed potatoes, but child, you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it on top of pasta, you can put it on top of rice, you can put it on top of cauliflower mashed potatoes for my keto folks. Be creative, make it your own. But one thing for sure, you guys, this recipe is so good and so delicious. Oh my gosh, my husband and I really enjoy eating this. So definitely check it out. I hope you enjoy. Be blessed, and until next time.